Hello students, all is well. How are you all? Fine, very good. Now, in today's video, we are going to discuss words ending with id, in and ip. And this is on page number 23. Take your phonic reader book and open page number 2323. Okay, so this word is id. Okay, so which picture is this? This is a kid. See, k and id. The word is kid. K and id. K, id. Yes, the I and D makes the sound of id. Yes, when letter I and letter D are together, it makes the sound of id. Yes, and the id words ending. Okay, words ending with id. So, and the another word is, now tell me which picture this is. This is a pin. Yes. So, see, look here. In, the ending word is, which word is ending? In. I-N. In. I means E. N means no. So, in. Words ending with in. Yes, and in plus P. P and in meet together, the word is pin. Yes. See, this is tin. T and in, tin. Okay. So, let's read with me the words ending with id and in. Okay. Now, which letter is it? This is B. B, id, bid. D, id, did. H, id, hid. Then, L, id, lid. K, id, kid. R, id, read. S, id, sid. See, these all words ending with which word? id words. Yes, means id के साथ हमने जो लेटर आया उस वो और वो मिला के टुगेदर हमने रीड किया. Yes, so letter B plus id means B का sound B. B and id meets together, the word is b, id, bid. Like that, did, hid, lid, kid, rid, sid. Now, g and r. G and r. It makes word gr. And the ending word is id, means grid. S and k. Yes, these two words, these two letters are together, means sk. And the ending word is id. So, this is skid. Then, this is, which ending word is here? Here is in. Yes, or the word is b in bin. B in bin. Yes. Then, f in fin. P in pin. T in tin. S in sin. W in win. D in din. K in kin. G in gin. C and H, ch. Ch. Ch in chin. Sk in skin. Yes. So, these all words are ending with in. These all words are ending with in. So, fin, pin, tin, sin, win, din, kin, gin, chin and skin. Yes, so read like this. Yes. Now, our next words are ending with ending word. Which are the ending word? It's ip. I and P makes a sound ip. Yes. Okay. So, what is this? This is a, yes, I and P makes the sound ip. So which picture this is? This is zip, zip, zip. And this is sip, 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 sip. Yes. So let's read with me words ending with ip. Okay. D ip, dip. N ip, nip. H ip, hip. P ip, pip. R ip, rip. Then S ip, sip. T ip, tip. L ip, lip. Z ip, zip. K ip, kip. Okay. One more time. Deep, neep, hip, peep, reap, sip, tip, lip, zip, keep. Then C and H. Yes. Ch, ch, ch ip, chip. Cl ip, clip. C and L together. These two letters are together means which words is here? Cl. Cl ip, clip. Then C and R, cr. Cr ip, creep. Then fl. Fl, f and l. Yes. Fl ip, flip. Gr ip, grip. Sh ip, ship. Sk ip, skip. Sl ip, slip. Sn ip, snip. Str ip, strip. Okay. Yes. Again one more time we will read this word. Cheap, clip, creep, flip, grip, sheep, skip, sleep, snip and strip. Okay. So you have to read this word like this. Okay. Now turn your page. Open page number 2424. 2424. Yes. So which words are there? Words ending with E. Words ending with E. Yes. Words ending with E. Okay. E and A means it's E. Yes. And these are the E. E means E. E. Both are the same sound. Yes. Look here. E, A. E, A. When E and A meets together, it makes the sound of E. For example, T. T. See? Which picture is this? And look here the word T and E. T. T. Okay. P, E, P. P. Yes. P. How you will read? P. बड़ी E की मात्रा कैसे होती है? E. है ना? Yes. So it's like this. P. T. Okay. Then this is C. S, E, C. S, E, C. Yes. So let's read with me words ending with E. Okay. See the difference. EA also makes the sound E and EE also makes the sound E. Okay. So look here. Some words are ending with this E. Okay. S, E, C. B, E, B. L, E, Li. P, E, P. T, E, T. Fl, E, flea. Pl, E, plea. Yes. Again. Once again read with me. C, B, Li, P. Yes. T, flea and plea. Okay. Now another word is ending with EE means this also makes the sound E. This EE also makes the sound E. Same like E and A. Same like E and A. Yes. Okay. But see Here is a double E. It also makes the sound E. So let's first you look this picture. What is this? B. This is a B. See, हमने ऊपर जो रीड किया, it's also makes a sound E. C. Then T. Okay, but the letters are different. Here the ending words are E and A, and it also makes the sound E. And here the letters are E, E, and the words sound makes same E. So which word is this? B. Then fee, fee. Then ni, ni, B, fee. Yes. So read with me. B, fee, gi, he, t, c, v, free, glee, knee, and tree. Yes. So these are the ending words with E, EA and E, EE. Okay, students. So you all read these words carefully and do the practice. Bye. All is well.